Okay. How to fix a flat tire. Make sure you have the insert tool threaded with the plug. Have the rasp tool ready. And an assortment of tools to pull out the nail or the screw that found its way into the tire. I've got pliers, I've got a hammer, claw hammer actually. I don't know how tough this screw is going to be to take out, so I even got a crowbar just in case. But I would like to take out this screw and put the plug in without having to remove the tire, so I have it in this position where it's accessible. So let's begin. Let's see how tough this is going to be to take out. See if I can sneak underneath it. Okay. Okay. I got that far. Oh, let's see. Ooh. Okay, that's up. Wasn't that bad. I'll just jam that rasp in there. Screw it in. The idea is to scuff up the side walls of the hole so that the glue and the plug has something to bite onto. So from here, we'll just take the rasp tool, jam it in, slide it out, jam it in, slide it out. Do this several times just to make sure that you have fresh rubber for the plug to bite onto. Okay, you can see little chunks of rubber coming out. Alright, so get this plug tool ready. I'm going to pull this out and quickly jam that plug tool in. Get in there, you. Oops, again. Come on. Do the best you can just to jam it in the hole. Bad position here. Okay. On the phone. On the phone. On the phone. Woohoo! Shit. It's in a real meaty chunk of rubber. Come on! Come on! Whew. It's going on. Make sure that the ends of the plugs do not go into the hole. This is as far as you want to take it. Now, without twisting it, just back out the tool until it releases from the tire. It's slowly coming out. Slowly coming out. Need some leverage here. There. It's out. Now all I got to do here, just cut off the end of those. Cut out the end of the plug. That's basically fixed. I didn't lose too much hair, but I will top it up. That's what came out. Okay. Well, like I said, all you need is just a tool to remove the screw or the nail, and then just a little simple repair kit, tire plug kit. Picked it up at the dollar store. This is what your strips of plugs look like. There's the insert tool that you thread the plug through, and of course the rasp. Okay, hope that helps. Thank you.